5 niches, low competition, 110 results on Amazon right now. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to generate these design concepts. And I'm going to give you the prompts for each one. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is RJ Martinez. I've been doing print on demand for over 8 years and selling online for 10 years. I do this full time, and every week I show you exactly what I'm researching so you can use it too. In this video, 5 niches, the competition score for each one, the design concept, and the AI prompt I used to generate the image. Everything you need to build something today. If you get value out of this, smash that like button. It's free and it takes 1 second and it helps me push this video out to more people. Okay, let's go. All right, so before we jump into niche 1, here's a quick look at all 5 of them. Here's niche 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 is the one that surprised me. So stay with me when it comes to looking at all these niches. All right, let's get into it. Just here for the free ice cream and duck hunting. I love this because it combines 2 things that have nothing to do with each other. And that's exactly why it works. It's funny, specific, and hunters love gear that shows personality. The competition score over here is 277. And just to give you a look over here, look at the other niches in here. That means not many people are running this. So the opportunity is wide open for something like this. Now think about the design angle here. You've got a duck hunter who just wants free food. That's the character. Lean into the humor, make it bold, make it fun. And we take a look over here at the prompt idea. You're going to see this is the actual prompt idea, and these are the designs that it created. And the tool that I'm using right here is called Ideogram to generate these images. Something else to keep in mind right here. Now, you don't just have to stop at ducks. You can just do exactly the same concept with fishing, deer hunting, turkey hunting, swipe out ice cream for free beer. The formula works across the whole hunting niche. One idea, 10 t-shirt designs. That's the idea there. All right, niche 2. This one is an evergreen play. It'll make sales during the season and after. I'll show you exactly why in a second. Floral book, a new chapter begins. Retired 2026. Retirement is one of those niches that never goes away. Every single year, millions of people retire and they want to celebrate. They want a shirt that says something. The competition score over here, you're going to see, is a 225, still very manageable. Now, when I actually researched this, it was at 193, so it changed. And the emotional pull in this niche is strong. People buy these as gifts. They want them for teachers, nurses, coworkers, family. It's not just a shirt. It's a milestone. The 2026 year makes it timely now. But here's the smart play. You also want a version without the year. And that makes it evergreen and keeps selling year after year. Right? So let's go ahead and here. Let's look at the prompt idea. You're going to come over here. You're going to see this is the prompt that I actually put in right there. Okay. And then these are all the design concepts that I ended up creating. A new chapter begins, retired 2026. A new chapter begins, retired 2026. Pretty cool, right? And the difference is this little flowers thing, the little flowers right there. Okay. And here's where you expand this. Teachers retiring, nurses retiring, police officers, military. Same concept, same emotion, just swap out who it is for. You could build a whole retirement sub-niche just off this one idea. Niche 3 is the straight up patriotic evergreen. And I want to show you something interesting about the BSR on this one. So keep watching on this one. So we're going to have this cowboy, the bold distressed American flag Western style. Okay. This is a classic, bold, patriotic, strong, masculine energy. The Western American niche is one of the most consistent performers on merch by Amazon. Or Amazon merch. People in this space buy a lot of shirts and they are loyal to the aesthetic. You're going to see the competition score here is at 275. When I found it, it was at 266. We're looking at this search result right there. And if you see the BSR, you're going to see the last 30 days. Definitely a good sign. It's showing consistency. So when it's up, it drops down. That means it made a sell, 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 made a sell. So that's really good. There's definitely a demand with this. So let's come over here and let's look at the actual image generated here. This is going to be the prompt idea, all right? And let's go ahead and check out all the different, some really cool concepts made back here. Look how cool this is, all right? Really, really cool. Kind of see like the badge style with the American flag and then the really detailed a bull, right? And you can play with this. Swap the bull for an eagle, add a state pride, Texas, Montana, Wyoming, add a ranch name field so people can customize it, one design, style, multiple variations. There's a few different things you can definitely do right here. Now, I want to tell you something that I offer because it's directly related to what we are doing in this video. It's called the Top Research Design Vault. Basically, every single week, I do this exact research, finding low competition niches, pulling the competition scores, the keywords, the design angles, the AI prompts, and package it all up for you to make it easy. Right now, you get access to over 1,820 niches in the vault. And when you sign up, you get 20 new niches every single week after that. You get the niche, the Amazon link, the competition score, the design concept, the keywords, and the prompt idea. Everything I just walked you through, already done for you every week. Link is going to be down below in the description. I also have a free download there so you can get an example of what that looks like before you commit to anything. Definitely check it out. Okay, back to the niches. 2 more niches left, and niche 5 has a really low competition score. This is one that I'll personally upload today. Don't click off. All right, niche 4 is going to be the Cuban American flag, Pride Heritage. I love this one because heritage pride shirts are one of the most consistent sellers in the whole POD space. People are proud of where they come from and they want to show it. If we come over here and we look at the competition score, you're going to see there's a result of 228. And when you think about that, Cuban American population in the US, it's millions of people. Miami alone, this is a real one. Passionate audience that buys. And this isn't just a Cuban thing. The formula works for any heritage. Puerto Rican American, Mexican American, Dominican American, Filipino American. You understand the concept. You've got a whole category waiting to be built. Now let's go over here and check out Ideogram and look at the design prompts. And then you can see what the designs that were created back here. And so first design, that's the prompt right there. If you want to go ahead and take a look at that. There. Pretty cool, right? Now, run the same concept across every heritage niche. Swipe the flags, keep the layout. You can build 50 shirts off of this one design template. That's how you build a catalog fast. Now, the last one, this one is fun. It's got a humor. It targets 2 audiences at once, and the competition it's trending. And here we go. The last niche, this one's a good one. Pug drinking iced coffee. This is funny, it's cute, and it hits 2 different audiences at the same time. Dog lovers, coffee lovers, that overlap is real. And it's active on Amazon. We come over here, look at the competition score. It's 124. When I first found it, it was at 122. That's low. And the dog niches in general tend to do really well because of the audiences are passionate and they buy a lot. People love their dogs. They buy stuff for their dogs. They wear stuff about their dogs. Let's come over here. Let's look at the actual prompt ideas that were generated or the designs that were generated with Ideogram. You're going to see this is the prompt that I actually put in there. And then if we come through and look at I like the vibe here. It's like in the city, downtown type of vibe, lights, businesses in the background, and the pug just drinking iced coffee with the glasses. So pretty cool. All right. This is really cool. Now, what you want to do here is you want to swipe out the pug, golden retriever with a latte, Frenchie with a cold brew, corgi with not a Starbucks cup, but a cup of coffee, right? And any breeds plus any coffee drink, you've got a niche. And you can do the same concept with wine, beer, pizza. The humor formula works across the board here. Be creative. All right, 5 niches: duck hunting, ice cream, retirement 2026, Western American, Cuban American Heritage, and Pug Iced Coffee. All low competition, all with real demand, and all with AI generated design concepts and prompts so you can use right now. If you got value out of this video, hit that like button. I mean it. It's the #1 thing that helps me push this video into the algorithm so I can keep making more content like this for you every single week. Subscribe if you haven't. I drop new content every week and it's always research-based, always actionable. The top research design vault link is down below in the description with over 1,800 niches, 20 new ones every week, everything done for you, and grab the free download while you're down there. Drop a comment. Tell me which niche are you going after first. I read every single comment. And if you want more low competition niches like this, watch the next video right here. Peace out.